Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create subdomain in Hostinger and install WordPress. So let's get started. So at first we need to visit hostinger.com, and after that we are going to log into our Hostinger account. Now from the top we are going to click on login. Now here we need to enter our Hostinger username and password and then click on login. So this will take us to our Hostinger hPanel. And here you will see a web hosting section, and it will show us our current web hosting plan. Next to our web hosting plan, we are going to see a manage button. So we are going to click on this manage button. Now from the top, we are going to select the domain for which we are going to create a subdomain. So I am going to select my domain, and after that we are going to click on domains, and from here we are going to click on subdomains. Now here we are going to add a name for our subdomain. And after that, if you want to create a custom folder for your subdomain, just click on this checkbox, and now also give the name for your custom folder here, and after that click on create. So in this way your subdomain will be created with a custom folder, and here we can see the subdomain that we have just created. So now our subdomain is created. It's time to install WordPress on our subdomain. So to install WordPress, from the left menu we are going to click on WordPress, and after that we are going to click on overview. And now from the top we are going to select our subdomain that we have just created. So we are going to click on this drop down, and after that we are going to select our subdomain. So now we are going to click on install, and as you can see that our subdomain is selected, and we are going to install WordPress on it. So at first we need to enter our website credentials. Please note that these credentials will be used later on to log into our WordPress website dashboard. So now I am going to quickly enter my credentials, and then we will go to the next step. If your subdomain is already selected, then that's great, you can see it here. But if your subdomain is not selected, then just click on this advanced button, and then from here you can easily select it. After that you need to select HTTPS instead of HTTP, and then click on next button. From here you can easily change your language if you want. Just click on this drop down, and from here you can select the language, and after that just click on install button, and WordPress will start installing on your subdomain. So as you can see that WordPress is successfully installed on our subdomain, and from here you can do some basic WordPress settings, like you can turn on HTTPS from here, like you can put the WordPress website to maintenance mode, or you can update your plugins from the security section. You can easily update plugins and themes from here, but we will go back to dashboard. And now if you want to access WordPress website dashboard, just click on edit website, and it will take you to your WordPress website dashboard. From here we are going to close it, and after that from the top we are going to click on this WordPress icon, and now we are in the WordPress dashboard. Now if you want to view your website that you have just created on the subdomain, then from the top just click on visit website, and here is the website that we have just created on our subdomain. So this is how you can create subdomain in Hostinger and install WordPress. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.